Good morning, students. Let's continue with our practice set 24 with word problem. First word problem I am reading. You open your textbook page number 47. See, if large square beds are to be made on a plot of land 8 meters long and 15 meters wide in order to plant vegetables, what is the maximum possible length of each bed? Now see, the number of length, that is length and your breadth, is given in 18 meter and 15 meter, right? Consider these two numbers and take out factors of these two numbers. So factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, right? Factor of 15 is 1, 2, 3, 5 and 15. Now what are the common factors from them? One, 2, 3 are the common factors. Here you have to find out maximum possible length. Maximum means what? Highest. So your maximum possible length means your HCF, and that HCF is 3. So 3 meter is your answer. Understand? Now take the next sum. Two ropes, one 8 meter long and other 12 meter long are to be cut into pieces of the same length. What will be the maximum possible length of each piece? If you observe the sum properly, you come to know that there is word maximum come all the time. Maximum is nothing but your HCF, because maximum means bigger, right? And HCF means highest common factors. So you have to find out HCF in this case. Here also two numbers are given, 8 and 12. This is what measurement of that rope. You have to find out factors of it. So 8 and 12. Factors you have to find out. 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8. Whereas 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12 are the factors of 12. Now you have to find out the common factors. 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors. Among these, which is the bigger number? 4. So your maximum possible length of each piece is 4 meter. Understand? Now move to the next sum, that is third one. That is third means in word problem it is third. Actually it is on fourth place. The number of students of standard 6 and standard 7 who went to visit the Tadoba Tiger project at Chandrapur were 140 and 196 respectively. Means the two numbers, that is 6 standard student 140 and 7 standard 196. These two numbers we got from this question. Next, the students of each class are to be divided in groups of the same number of students. Each group can have a paid guide what is the maximum number of students there can be in each group what do you think each group should have the maximum possible number of students, right? Now see, here also maximum possible number of students is asked. That's why you have to find out HCF of these two numbers. Before finding out HCF, you have to find out common factors of these two numbers. That is 140 and 196. So what is the factors of 140? 1, 2, 4, right? Then your 5, 7, 14, 28, 35, then 70 and 140. These are the numbers. Next 196, 1, 2, then your 4, 7, 14, 28, then next is 49, next is 98, 196 is the last number. Now what are the common factors? See, I am only writing CF, that is common factor. What common factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Right? See, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Right? So these are the common factors. Now, which is the greatest common factor? 28. So, maximum number of students in each group is 28. Understand, everyone? So, this is your today's homework along with question number 5. I hope everyone understand this HCF. Right? Now move to the next part, that is LCM. As HCF is your highest common factor, LCM is your lower common multiple. Right? Lowest common multiple. Here, see, in this HCM you have to find out the factors, that the number which can divide the other number or dividend. But in LCM you have to write your table of that number, right? Like see, suppose I am taking two numbers that are 9 and 12. 9 and 12. Right? Now you have to write the 9's table, like 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. After that, see, 12 is there. In 12's table, 120 is the last number. So you have to write up to that. So after 90, 99 is there. Right? Okay, and so on. Next, 12's table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 36, 12 threes are 48, 12 fours are 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sevens are 72, 12 eights are 84, 12 nines are 96, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Now what is common factor? What is common factor in them? Or common multiple, you can say it. What are the common multiple? See, which number is common in them? 36. Then nothing is common. And one more 72. Sorry, 36 and 72 are the two common numbers in them. Now see, you have to find out the lowest common multiple. Which is the lowest one? 36. So your LCM is 36. In this way, it is very simple, and we are taking practice set 25 of LCM. Only question number 1 I am taking. Word problem afterwards. Now see PS 25. See, second one I am taking 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3, 5. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 8, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Right? Next is 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Right? Now in this, which number is common? What are the common numbers of this? Now see, in this case, you have to find out the number which is common in all these three. Right? It is here, it is here, and it is here. Now see, in this case, up to 20 we have written. After that also we can write that 22. See, I am writing here. Then 24, 26, 28, 30. Right? These are also the factors. Otherwise, see. (22, 24, 26, 28 and 30 are the factors of 2. Right? Now see, in these three numbers, only this 30, here 30 and here 30. 30 is a common factor and this 30 is your LCM also. Understand? Next is 8 and 11. Next one is 8 and 11. 8, 11. The number is 5. 8. 8 ones are 8. 16. Right? Next 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. Now here also, because 110 is there, you have to extend it up to this. So 88, then 96, then 102. Right? Now see, among this, which number is common? Only one, that is 88 here and 88 here, and for this reason only we are extending the table up to this. So 88 is your common factor and that's why it is your LCM, because only one number is there. If two numbers are there, we compare and find out who is the lowest one. So